Thank you for stopping by, my fellow beloved brothers and sisters. I have two things to say to this news that I saw yesterday. And this happened, the news came out recently, and people are already falling victim to this plan I will call satanic plan. It no go better for people where they think to mess the life of people, especially our people. You know, me, I'm in Nigeria, and I have two things wey make I say, okay, may I share with our people. This is unimaginable. You read the headline, you don't need to be told. Floating prison. UK's another controversial policy of keeping asylum seeker on floating barge. This is unbelievable. Mano eziokwu. Abroad this type, abroad this one alone, I think they are up to 4 or 3. Emery already. And what do they mean? This is another world. Anyway, the news is self-explanatory. Onye mara asụ ọsụọ n'ikwe, ịmarakwa asụ ịsụọ na asụ ji ụkwụ gị. And otu ihe bụ the two things that I let me even say it well. My point is that if you like, put yourself in this trouble. If you like, be a victim. If you like, don't be a victim. I so much believe that this plan, it no go be here, it go end. The fit take am go another level. When they know they see asylum seeker, now who they won't put inside there? Now still foreigners where they UK. Now still foreigners where people think say they don't they miss. The fit just they inside that place. Now another world be that too. They go put her inside river, inside ocean. So what won't happen? Nobody know. But I don't want to believe that this plan they genuine. I no believe at all. So my intention why make me they do this video be say make our people no fall victim. Make it no be say this trap will catch you or someone that you know. So share this video and may you yarn others. Say see what you see. And that two things when me want talk be say if you want go UK, make sure you are not going to seek for asylum. They don't divest. Even no be today start. Even before this prime minister enter, they don't say they no want before they want to they carry people they go Rwanda. That one no work. Waiting that they plan for you for asylum seeking procedure. No only God will help you. Wait, not only UK if you take asylum. In fact, there are many other ways to go about asylum seeking process. You don't need to take asylum. These days, they have opened other channel. Say if you come to seek for job. So that means they want to just simply tell you, say if they come abroad, say you want come seek asylum, no road. May you no come enter abroad. Me at the Germany. People where they UK, they go UK, they come. And I don't see say even the asylum system for UK, no good. Even the Spain, Italy, other rest of the country better pass UK system of asylum seeking. So waiting go carry you go UK, may you go seek asylum is not something advisable at all. So my second point is that if you dey UK and you don't already chop asylum, you don't already seek asylum, I advise you to reject and withdraw it. Destroy that asylum seeking process that is ongoing. If you are hearing my voice, I know some people where the UK if you know they see this, but where I dey focus mostly is for my people where see they back home. People will never enter UK or people will never enter this trouble. But if you do already enter and you see this message, please withdraw or terminate that asylum seeking process. If you want to do asylum, may you enter another country or may you terminate them and find other means of sorting things away out. Because this plan, it is read from my mind. No, it's no go area. I believe that some people don't already enter inside this place. And we see the talk now saying a new news. Maybe don't they exist already. This one they bold enough to say it here. It's just for to before one is to before arm. May you know say they don't tell you. I beg, share now. Share this video so that our people no go. So that YouTube so too go see and maybe promote and may reach other people. Just click like and share, and may God bless you.